like to come and basically explain the proprietary components of the Layher system that we're using on the bridge, just so that when you're watching through the open footage, you've got a general idea of how the stuff goes together. So the whole system for us is made up of 9 proprietary components across the whole structure. It doesn't change. And I just wanted to explain to you the components and how they go together for a bit of understanding and some information. So this is the main component of the whole suspended system. This is the Layher FLEXBEAM. It's 280 millimetres deep and approximately 2.5 times stronger than a standard alloy lattice beam. So this is where we really gain it gives us the benefit and makes us have the large standard spacings. So I'm going to go through a couple of other components just so you've got a general idea of the parts and how they go together. I'm going to start assembling bits and bobs so you can see how it goes in. So the next part we've got here is the FLEXBEAM spigot or FLEXBEAM connector. This is used for joining the beams, so it slides in until you've lined the holes up. And we've got the FLEXBEAM pins, connectors that slide through and get fixed in the back with a secure R pin. So when you're joining the beams together, your next FLEXBEAM will join on here, 4 pins on each side to secure it. Just take that back out again. Persuasion. The next main part that we use is probably the most important part, is the suspension shoe. So the suspension shoe slides over the beam, and the same again. When it's in position, the FLEXBEAM pin, securing pin, if I get the holes lined up. Goes through, and again, same as the FLEXBEAM connector pins, it's just secured with an R pin connector. So the next component is a female standard adapter, which again slides over the top, links into the shoe, it's hammered through and again secured with an R pin. You'll notice the sticker on this one's different, so any of the Layher components with a white sticker are specially made, so together with Kenny Redman at Layher, we've modified this so that the rosette enables the British regulation handrail height to come in. And we had them specially made and shipped over for the project. The next part is a standard all-round Layher upright. Slides over and with more than one hand. There's also pinned in place. And that's it. And then to allow us to suspend it, swivel wedge head couplers fixed to the standard. And then a standard scaffold tube up onto beam clamps onto the steelwork, and that's just repeated throughout the whole project. So the speed and efficiency for us afterwards is that the FLEXBEAM's already got a U track for the Layher deck or board to fit into. So once the FLEXBEAMs are in place, the boards just simply all fit in, can be slided out from either side to reduce working on an open edge. You can just work away and slide the boards out until you're fully completed. Once the board's in place, the lockable lay logo's on top, tightens down, and that's it. That's your structural beam, fully complete, ready for the next one. And we just continue on. Further to that, we've got one extra component that we made, which is another beam connector, a different type. It sits over rather than slides through, so it can be installed after all the standards are installed, and it just simply goes over the top, and again is fixed in place with two pins, two R-clips. And like I said, these ones can be fitted afterwards because the shoe doesn't have to slide over it. But that's it. That's the 9 proprietary components that we've used for the whole project.